Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see on-click search in Datatable. So on-click means that wherever I'll click on any text, so that text will be searched in Datatable. So let's get started with today's video and let's see this in example. So that's the table. You can see I have email and name. You can see database as well. So I have total entries, you can see 52, and if I'll go to my view here also you can see 52, and if I'll go to pagination, so then you can see it's working fine. So now if I'll click anywhere in email, let's say, so that will appear text in search bar basically, that you can see on the top right. So let me show you code now. So here you can see I have table with some headings. So in script, you can see I have jQuery, I have for data table, and in on mounted, I have initialized my data table with some options. So you can see here server side processing is true, and using Ajax, I'm getting my data that is displayed in table, and columns also defined. So now let me show you backend. So here you can see contact controller index function. So here you can see I'm getting data from contact model, and then pagination is applied and then sent as a response. So to start with search in init complete, let's get the APIs. So write let API this dot API. So here you will be getting some functions that you can use. So here let me just console that console.log API to show you. So now let's check in browser, inspect. Now let's go to console. So here you can see API. So many things you can see. $access is there, Ajax is there, cells are there. So you can use these function if you want anything to do. So you can see on. So we will be using on because we will be capturing on click. So here write API.on and event will be click. So now second will be on which it should be applied. So we need to get table body, and that will be t head or td. So then function, but exactly needs to be done if on click event is appearing on t body. So we will be searching. So write API dot search, and inside search write this dot inner HTML. So whichever is clicked, we need to get that and redraw. So draw basically your table again. So now let's check in browser. So let's click on email. So now you can see in search box it's appearing test@gmail.com. So if I'll go, so here payload, as of now you can see it's getting whole data only, but search you can see in payload test@gmail.com it's going. But as of now in backend we have not applied search, so that's the reason complete data is coming in response. So let's just comment the server side processing and now check. Now let's click on name. So you can see now it's searching and it's giving one of one entry. So now let's just again search anything else. So let's say email. So here you can see now it's giving result. So you don't need to type anything, it will automatically search. That's the advantage of this on-click search. So let's check with phone as well. So phone also is working. So I have uncommented this once again, and now let's go to contact controller and apply search from backend side. So let's say search, and here we will be getting request that will be search, and it's an array. So let's say search, and we will be getting value of that. Let's hold that in a variable. And now let's check if search value is not blank, because in the starting it will be coming as blank. So then we don't want to search to apply. So here if search is not blank, then write contact list where name, let's say like, and that will be value, this search value that will be coming from data table. So we want same functionality. So let's do this for other columns as well. So create one more row. So here write or where. So this will be email, and then another will be phone, and last we have one more that will be created at. So now let's check in browser. So I have clicked. So here you can see in search it's visible and searched as well. So now let me show you in inspect. So let's go to network and let me click on name anywhere. So here you can see one API it got hit and search value is there. and record filters and everything you can see, and name only one is coming. So record filters is coming same as I have not changed that, it was before. So now let's cut it from here, and we need it after this pagination. So now let's go and again check, refresh. So remove everything in log, and now let's click anywhere. So now you can see one entry is coming filtered from 52 records. So now it's working fine. Record filter also you can see it's one. So now let's check any other, let's say email. So email also got searched. So that's how you can apply on-click search in Datatable. It's very useful if you don't want to type like but a complete string, then you can just click and search. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.